word from them?
No, the note he left said he needed time to figure some things out, but I wish I knew what he was.
Excuse me.
Hey, you look funny, man.
None. What if he tells somebody? What if he tells how it was supposed to happen? And I was supposed to tell him at the right moment, in the right way, and he was supposed to be okay with it because he loves me.
Well, I'll be fine then. I just have to accept this being Virginia.
Maybe he'll come around. You did.
Is this the spot Emily Bennett was killed too?
Found us thought it was poetic, burning her where the other witches burned.
How do you know where the witches were burned?
So I tried to save her. Emily was just my key to getting Catherine back before I knew what a nasty old bitch Catherine was.
You sure it's the right place?
Whatever witch you bring your plan.
I'm not doing anything.
I can't move. Oh, my ring's not working. Do something.
Play nicely. Dre!
I don't think the witches like you being here.
Yes, this is the right place.